Okay guys, we got a package from the grocer Kurma Surabaya. This should be Himalayan salt premium 1 kilograms. Packing is good. This is the prices. This is the normal prices. This is some discount. You not recommended to see it. Live view. This is a kind of salt from the Himalaya mountain. There's so many advanced of useful. And we are unboxing this with the kitchen scale to check the weight. That's it. Oh, the packing is very good, very safety. Don't you see it? Very safety. Packaging is very good, and this is it, the Himalayan salt. You can see this is a pink color, 2025 expired date. Texture is like a sugar. Let's check the weight. Okay, 1 kilograms. Very nice. So this is it, Himalayan pure salt. 100% quality product. Texture is like sugar. Rather weird. It's like a sugar, you know. The price is very cheap. So this is it. Thank you for watching.